Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SAFEMATE PJS06-2500 portable car jumper, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because portable and powerful battery starter. With 2500 amp peak current and 13200 mAh battery. This SAFEMATE PJS06 car jump starter can start up to 8L gasoline engines or 6.5L diesel engines in seconds, up to 40 jump starts on a single full charge. The kit's compatible with all cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, tractors, ATVs, UTVs, lawnmowers, snowmobiles, and more. This jump pack is also ultra lightweight and portable. Voltage detection and smart large display. Easily monitor your vehicle's battery voltage status before and after starting. The portable car battery starter features an intelligent display that clearly shows operational status, battery level, and potential error messages. In case of errors such as short circuits or reverse connections, the screen will flash icons and emit beeping alerts for immediate notification. 40-watt bidirectional lightning fast charging. The Type-C port features 40-watt in/out bidirectional fast charging technology, allowing the car battery charger jump starter to go from 0% to 100% in just 1.1 hours and start within as little as 15 minutes. It can also charge electronic devices such as smartphones and laptops, with an iPhone fully charging in about 45 minutes. The jump starter can be on standby for up to 18 months, ensuring you can use it with confidence at any time, 40-watt fast charger not included. Safety protection. The product features an integrated built-in protection design with 10 advanced protection technologies, effectively eliminating safety hazards at the source for enhanced overall safety and insulation. The product is additionally wrapped in black silicone on the outside, providing enhanced protection for the internal circuits. It can withstand a 1-meter drop without any functional damage, ensuring it remains fully operational. Multifunctional LED light. The car battery jump starter is equipped with 3 modes of LED light: lighting, warning, SOS, and easily change lighting modes by switching light buttons. 3 modes lights are for different emergency. Ultra bright light can help you repair your car more conveniently at night, and double as warning triangle. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.